I'm Dahlia, I'm a sophomore, and today we're going to be reading about Jupiter. In 1979, Voyager 1 became the third spacecraft to fly by Jupiter. Pictures from Voyager 1 showed thin rings around Jupiter. No one had ever seen them before. These pictures taught scientists more about the solar system's largest planet. The solar system. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun. It is one of the gas giants, along with Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto is the farthest planet from the sun. It is made of rock and ice. The four planets closest to the sun are rocky. They are Mercury, Venus, and Mars. Jupiter's atmosphere. The gases surrounding a planet are called its atmosphere. Jupiter has a thick, cloudy atmosphere. It is mostly made of hydrogen gas. Clouds move quickly around Jupiter. Winds blow the clouds faster than 400 miles per hour. Jupiter's makeup. Jupiter does not have a solid surface. A thick atmosphere of gases and ice pushes down on the planet's center. This pushing force is called pressure. The pressure makes gases deep inside Jupiter hot and thick, like syrup. A rocky core may lie in the planet's center. How Jupiter moves. Jupiter spins quickly on its axis as it moves around the sun. The giant planet takes 9 hours and 55 minutes to spin on its axis once. Jupiter moves around the sun very slowly. The planet takes almost 12 Earth years to circle the sun in one time. Moons and rings. Jupiter has at least 63 moons. The moon Io has volcanoes that erupt hot lava. The moon Europa may have an ocean under its icy surface. Jupiter has 3 rings. The rings are made of dust and pieces of rock. The rings are thin and faint. Scientists use special cameras to see them. Studying Jupiter. Jupiter is studied with spacecraft and telescopes. 7 spacecrafts have visited the planet. From Earth, people see Jupiter with telescopes. Some of the clearest pictures of Jupiter are taken with the Hubble Space Telescope. Comparing Jupiter to Earth. Jupiter and Earth are very different. Earth is made of rock. Jupiter is made of ice and gases. People cannot breathe the air on Jupiter. The planet does not have a surface to walk on. People will keep studying the planets with spacecraft and telescopes. Amazing but true. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is the biggest storm in the solar system. Almost 3 Earths could fit inside it. The Great Red Spot is like a huge hurricane on Earth. The giant storm has been raining on Jupiter for more than 350 years. The end.